Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use view once photos on WhatsApp. To do that is really simple. You have just to go to WhatsApp, enter to any conversation that you want to send view once photo on it. For example, I will try in that conversation. Go and click on the camera. And here you will have the option to take a picture with the camera or choose a photo. To choose a photo, you have to click on the photo icon on the left of the screen. Choose the photo that you want. And as you can see next to the send icon, the green icon in the bottom right of the screen, there is another icon with a circle with number 1. Click on it. And after that, click OK. And like that, this picture is set to view once. If you want to change it, you have to click again. So like that, the person can rewatch it. And if all the circle is gray, that means this photo is set to view once. And we send it. And as you can see, you see the number 1 next to the picture. That means the picture is like set to be viewed only one time. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.